Hi everyone, welcome to Make It a Minute's Monday. We're going to be making this adorable card right here. We're going to be using the By My Side stamp set. We're using this cute little girl with the bird on her hand, and one of the sentiments here. I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to try coloring her dress pink this time instead of using the smoky slate markers, and we'll see how that looks. I'd love to get your opinion on it. So we're going to get started with this. I've already got my stamps on my blocks here, so the first thing I'm going to do is do my stamping. So I'm going to take my girl, I'm going to use our Memento Tuxedo Black ink because we're going to be coloring with our blends today, so we want to make sure that they don't bleed. All right, so I'm going to set that one off to the side. Next, we're going to take our Coastal Cabana ink and we're going to stamp our Hi Sweet Friend on a scrap piece of paper. So with this, we have some new items that are going to be featured in this stamps in this video. They are called the Deckled Circles. And look at these, you guys. Aren't they magnificent? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at how big these are. You can set our card on there just to give you an idea of what they look like. Now, if you are a customer, you'll be able to order these starting September 6th. However, if you would like to get your hands on them right away, you can sign up under Kayla and I to get the starter kit, and we'd love to have you to be a part of our team. We have a lot of fun, and yeah, so this could be one of your items that you choose. It's only $99 for the starter kit. You save on shipping, so you don't have to pay for that. You just pay for tax on the $99, and you get to pick whatever items you would like to get for $125. So that's a really good deal, you guys. Anyway, we're gonna start by coloring our little girl. The dress that I'm gonna be using dark and a light flirty flamingo, so I'm gonna get started on that. Okay, and for her skin tone, we are using the medium light 800. For her hair, we're going to be using the light and dark pecan pie. All right, and then what I did is I used a little bit of the light pool party underneath to kind of give it look like she's standing on ground a little bit. And I used the dark one to color the bird in. Coloring is done. Now we're going to come in and we're going to cut our sentiment, and all I did is I took a big scissors and I just cut straight across. And then I'm going to bring in a piece of the Vellum Basics 12 by 12 specialty paper, and we're using the leaf design. And so to construct this, I'm going to go ahead and give this a good burnish with our bone folder. I love our bone folders. And I am going to use just a tiny bit of glue on the back side on these corners. Now I'm going to probably put it on like a leaf. The glue, just a tiny bit on all four corners, and then one in the middle where our sentiment circle will be. All right, now I'm going to glue this little girl onto our bigger deckled circle. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. We have so many different sizes of these in. It's awesome. Okay, now I'm going to bring in our silver thread that we have. It's an online exclusive item. It comes in a combo pack. You can get the silver and the gold together. And again, go on to stampinup.com and you'll be able to find it under exclusive items. So I'm going to try to tie this on here. I did it on the other card here, so we'll see how well this goes. I am very challenged when it comes to tying things on here. But maybe I'll be able to do this without thinking too much about it. Pretty good for a Nancy bowl. All right, here we go. We're going to slide this over to the one side a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to take some dimensionals. I'm going to grab the small ones while we're at it. We have that, and then we're going to add our sentiment. Whoops, I'm sliding that too much, you guys. We're going to put on the high side, we're going to put a little mini glue dot. And then on the other side, we're going to add just a little bit of glue because we're going to put that right on top of that circle. And then last, we're going to bring in some iridescent, our basic iridescent stones, or gems, I should say. And we're going to add a couple of those onto the front of it. And there we have it, guys. What do you think? Do you like the girl with the pink dress or the gray dress? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to know. All right, so please make sure that if you like this video to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you hit that bell so that you get the notifications so you'll know when we post new videos. Plus, if you'd like weekly card inspiration and 5 free tutorials, make sure to join our newsletter. You can find the link to join in the description below. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks.